Hey there, welcome to day 1629 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And I hop on every day to actually video journal what I'm working on. Mostly business things, but also just keep track of what I'm doing. I've got some health challenges that make it difficult for me to write things down and then read what I'm writing. So I decided 1,629 plus days ago that I was going to keep track by just doing a little video log, a video journal. So today I created a couple of pieces of content. We're focusing on for the BU 365 day challenge, where we do one thing every day that improves us and helps us to become a better version of ourselves. And instead of it just being a random thing, which is originally what I thought I was going to do this year, but decided that it needed a little more structure, so I decided to superimpose the life framework that I use to decide and set goals and objectives and continually improve in my life, to share that as part of the annual challenge. So January, we worked on our physical well-being. February, our emotional well-being. March, our mental well-being. April, our spiritual well-being. May, our financial well-being. June, our relationships and our well-being with respect to our relationships. And this month we're focusing on the area of contribution. And I define that as how we show up in the world. What are we adding to the world to make it a better place? We can, of course, define that any way we want, but I work with people, and this challenge is all about being better and making the world better. So today our topic for that was resources, finding the resources we need to add value to the world, and fundraising. So I shared, and I didn't share all 100, but I looked up 100 different ways to raise money and funds, primarily for nonprofits, but a lot of these are used by businesses as well, because businesses need money and resources so they can grow and add value to the world, just like nonprofit organizations do. And then we shared our favorite fundraiser that we've ever participated in, or maybe even the best fundraiser you've ever heard of. You could share that as well. I shared mine. It was a Halloween haunted village that we did in Green Bay, Wisconsin when I worked for Procter & Gamble. Did that for 5 years in a row, and it was so much fun, and we made the world a better place and we didn't raise money. People could donate, but we didn't raise money. We donated as a corporation, and we set it up and decorated it and played games and set up games for the kids and gave away candy and things in a safe, cool environment for parents to bring their kids. And the kids always had a lot of fun, and it was fun to see the different ages of kids that would come to the haunted village. Kids that wouldn't ever go trick-or-treating because they were too old would come to the haunted village because it was so much fun, and they would participate and join in and play the games and then help with the games. So it was a great community event. For our idiom for Supersize Your Business, because I have a business group of entrepreneurs that I work with all the time, and I share an idiom every day, and I decided this year, to make it easier on myself, I was going to share an idiom related to the annual challenge. So today's was fit the bill. And fit the bill, it means things like, is it suitable for use? Does it meet requirements? Does it meet expectations? So we talked about that. Working with several folks on different fun projects right now. I'll share as information becomes publicly available, but for right now, everybody wants to keep certain projects very tight and close to the vest, so they're not sharing information. And I honor people's confidentiality just like I expect them to honor my confidentiality when it comes to business and life. Some people, and I can keep a secret, but I sure hate keeping a secret. It's hard for me, and so I love it when people share information so that I can share the secrets. All right, if I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'm going to enjoy my Sunday and invite you to do the same. Find a way to make the world a better place, and start with yourself by making you a little bit better every day. All right, have an awesome day. I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.